in the side yard. Females in front, male in the side yard.
He just went in the house, 𝐀𝐻𝐿. He just went into the house.
Wait. Okay, I'm the mother. Wait.
Step back.
What's going on?
He's coming out. He's coming out. Yo. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Hey, watch out, 𝐀𝐻𝐿. Back up, 𝐀𝐻𝐿. Drop it. 7 Okay, good. Shots fired. 6602. Start fireboard. Suspect down. All right, let's render. Get the knives. Get the knives, 𝐀𝐻𝐿. Hey, get a tech kit.
Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit. I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at.
Put my med kit out. Look.
All right, right behind him.
Here. Get pressure. Get pressure. My med kit is in my
129. Cheverly 1 deployed. Suspects down. We're rendering 8 at this time. All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
You want me to start CPR?
Just get her, Brian.
I got you. Stay back, man. Stay back, man. Jordan, you got her, man.
129, everybody's good. We have 3 witnesses on scene. We're holding on to them. And we have the 7As secured. Just hang tight, sir. We're going to need to talk to you and stuff, okay? Is there anybody else inside the house? Okay.
Webb, secure this one so I can...
They're in the side yard. Females in front, male in the side yard.
Sir, wait. Wait, officer, wait. Wait.
All right, we're waiting.
Okay, I'm the mother. Wait.
Step back.
What's going on?
Spence, you want to go?
Get the fuck out of the way, lady!
Drop it. He's got a knife. Get the...
Hey! Get the knives. Get the knives. Hey, get a tech kit!
Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit. I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at.
Put my med kit out.
All right, bye-bye. Here.
We need a chest seal. My med kit. It's in my back. Pull it out. Pull it to the side. You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Just breathe.
Stay with
just
us,
breathe.
man. We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
Okay. You want me to start CPR?
Stay with us, buddy. Stay with us.
Got one in the arm.
see if they're all together.
B7A.
Don't come up here, man.
Guys on the back side. You gotta go back
I'm gonna go on the backside, Sarge. He's challenged something. He's got a knife! Get the wiki!
back now.
Oh my goodness. I got my med kit. Hey, my backside, pull my med kit out. Look. Here. Nick. My back kit, my med kit is in my back. Pull it out. Pull it to the side.
All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
You want me to start CPR?
Hey, put the knife down.